Hey friends, this is Coach Tanisha Marie. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like, share. Hit the notification bell for updates on more. At the dinner table, I didn't learn about money. I wasn't taught about money. We didn't say nothing about money. And if you are afraid to talk about money, you won't ever get money. If you're nervous to talk about money, or you're nervous to look at your bank account, you won't ever get any money. See, I'm in a position where I'm helping people to be able to get some money. Put at least $10,000 in their bank account. But you can't be scared to spend money. So if you can't be able to spend money on yourself, invest money in yourself, or talk about money at the dinner table, to your children, with your spouse, with your friends, how can you ever attract money? How can you ever get any type of money? You can't, right? So you can't attract or manifest what you repel or what you shy away from talking about. So we as Black people, we have to understand these things, okay? We got to understand that living paycheck to paycheck is not the move. Waiting to be retired and thinking retirement money is going to be, it for you. Hoping and wishing and praying all the time for a raise at the job, trying to get on welfare and all that. It's not the move, man. It's truly not the move. So we have to get good at talking about money. Just like, we like to talk about people. Let's talk about money. So instead of all the gossiping on the job, instead of all the gossiping at the table, instead of all the gossiping on the phone, let's talk about a stock. Let's talk about life insurance. Let's talk about some disability insurance. Let's talk about, how we're going to save up. I put a post and I said 100 ways. You can write out 100 ways, literally 100 ways to make or get $10,000 bank account. Because the reality of it is, if you don't have at least $10,000 in your bank account, guess what, bro? Guess what, sis? You literally one paycheck away from being homeless. That's the real facts. If you don't have 10 grand in the bank, minimum, you're one paycheck away from being homeless. And if that sit right with you, then you're going to be in poverty. You're going to be impoverished. And then you're going to teach your kids to be in poverty. You're going to teach your kids to be impoverished. And that's not the flex. That's not the move. The move is to build generational wealth and to break generational curses. So if you don't invest in a book, a mentor, a course, a training, a webinar, a seminar to learn how to talk about money and get comfortable about money, then the cycle continues. Nobody breaks, the cycle. But if you get comfortable with investing in yourself, in books and CDs and audios, right? I got plenty of stuff for everybody to invest in. But if you're scared, right? I have a live, training that we're doing on the 27th. It's only $10 for virtual. If you're scared to even spend $10 into yourself, make 6 figures. How can you even make $1 million?